Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
75 degrees the air temperature. We have a dew point value coming in at 73, bringing a relative humidity at 94%. So a sticky start to the day, and we will end up with a very humid afternoon and very high feels like temperatures. The body needs to perspire to cool itself, and when the humidity is really high, it has difficulty doing that, and consequently the air feels warmer than it actually is. And that's what has happened over the last several days. That's what's going to happen again today. We'll have feels like temperatures as the temperature, actual air temperature, climbs up to about 93. The feels like temperature climbs up to about 100 to 105 degrees this afternoon. So allow yourself plenty of time to kind of cool off in the shade if you're going to be outdoors working in strenuous ways this afternoon, exercising or working. And be sure and stay hydrated. It could, for some folks, be a kind of a dangerous situation if you're working too hard and not allowing yourself sufficient breaks. Temperatures will then kind of trail off into the 80s as we head into sunset this evening. Not much in the way of rainfall around the area. Morning commute will be absolutely fine. No issues there. We do have a few scattered showers out in the Gulf, but I tell you what, if you're a boater, no worries here. Those showers will dissipate, I think, as we start to mix in a little drier air as the atmosphere begins to heat up a little bit. Some scattered showers and lots of heavy rain back to the west. That's where there will be some probably additional 1 to 6 inch rainfalls this afternoon and lead to some flash floodings anywhere from Brownsville all the way up toward New Orleans, but mainly for the Texas coastline. That's where the heaviest of the rain will be falling. These big thunderstorms that you see popping up here will be gradually drifting closer to the coastline. No organization, nothing tropical developing, but what a contrast with the state of Florida, which has really got a lot of sunny skies in store for us this afternoon. This drier air, indicated here by the tan color, has just really filtered in over the last 24 hours. Came in on the loft. We talked about it yesterday, how it would kind of nip the rain chance in the bud, and that's exactly what we'll see today. Very little chance of rainfall through the afternoon to break the afternoon heat. The Futurecast shows a few scattered showers out in the Gulf, but they tend to dissipate out as we get a little bit of heating of the day. Maybe an isolated shower or two popping up in inland areas. Frankly, I think this computer forecast overdoes the amount of rainfall that we will see this afternoon. Maybe tomorrow we'll pick up a few more scattered showers around in inland areas, but just not a lot of action. A lot more sunshine, too, I think, as we head into the afternoon. UV indexes will be high, and the potential for burning will be pretty good as well. So slather on that sunscreen if you're headed to the beach. High pressure just to our north brings us that easterly wind flow today. Keeps the sea breeze pinned close to the coast and keeps most shower activity on our coast today. Although that dry air aloft really just cuts out the shower chances. Over the course of the next several days, high pressure sinks south. As that happens, our winds begin to twist first out of the south. That'll return a little bit of that moisture that is lacking today. But as the winds continue to turn to the west, it'll also push most of the showery activity to the other coast. So the long and short of it is, even though one ingredient returns, that is the moisture, the winds will really keep us dry right straight through most of the work week. West wind comes in at about 10, shifts to the north at about 5 during the overnight, and the forecast looks like this. Today, 93, mostly sunny, very little rain chance. Tomorrow, a little bit better rain chance, but still not very great. And most of those showers will be in inland areas. First day of summer, Thursday, moisture returns. Winds go lighter and more favorable for the sea breeze to kick off a shower or two as we head into the weekend, with a 40% chance of showers both Saturday and Sunday. And then on Monday, I think we kind of return to our average rain chance days for this time of year, 50, 60%, something like that.